if you want to add HTML onto your Squarespace website, you've got a few options. Now, first of all, I want to say that it's entirely possible to do this. And dare I say, encouraged if you want to really push Squarespace beyond its supposed limits. And that's a complete other story. It's a complete other video where I'd rant about people saying Squarespace has limitations. Anyway, you've got a few different places where you can add it to your site. And I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly in this video. So first of all, you've got your header and your footer. That's the place most people will add HTML in. Now, all we need to do for this is go into Pages, and then we go to Custom Code, Code Injection here, and you can add it into your header, and you can add it into your footer. You can also add it into your order confirmation page and your order status page down here. So you can add all the HTML in the world there. You just need to make sure that you have an upgraded subscription. So you need, I believe, a business plan or higher to access HTML, so like embeddable code. Now, you've got some other options, and this is going to be on page. So edit, you'll find a section you want to add it to, and then add a block. And then you've got a few different options. So first of all, you've got embed. So we'll add that block in here, and we double click. You can use a link, which is not HTML, but you can still embed stuff. And then you've got a code snippet. So if you click on code snippet and embed data, you can add your code into here. Let's click add block again. And then we've got a classic code block in here. So I'll move that over, double click, just get rid of hello world in there. And then you can add all the code into here. And you can actually change the mode as well if you wanted. And then finally, add block, we've got markdown. So in here, you can add whatever you want into there. And then finally, if you want to add it into one page only, just click up here, hit advanced, and then you can add into your page header code injection. The other way you can do that, if we exit here, is to just click the cog next to the page. So click on pages, go to the cog of the page that you want to add it to, hit advanced, and then you can do the same thing. You can add it into there. And that is that, to my knowledge, all the places you can add HTML on Squarespace. If you found that useful, then please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.